Alright guys, we're here at South Padre Island. It's about, what, 6:15 in the morning. I'm here with my buddy Alan, Eric behind the camera. Looks like it's going to be a nice day to surf fish. Coincidentally, my boat is in the shop, Eric's boat is in the shop. All our boats are in the shop, so we're taking it to the land. Today we're going to be surf fishing, using shrimp, fish bites. Let's head out on the water.
Brian, let's go.
Where is he, Eric? There he is.
All right, Rick, tell us, what kind of gear are we doing? What are we setting up? What are we working with?
We got a couple of 10-foot surf rods. I got a couple of these pre-rigged pompano rigs that I get from Walmart because I'm lazy. We're gonna throw some crabs that we found. We actually found these on the beach and they look pretty fresh. And one of them we actually killed, 2 of them. And we're gonna send those out on some big rigs. And then in close, we're gonna rig up some shrimp and fish bites, hopefully get some whiting and maybe some smaller species. So that's the plan. I hope it works. All right guys, we're just loading it up. Like you see, we got shrimp and we got fish bites, and I'm burying the hook. You don't want the fish to be able to see the hook. The shrimp bites are there, the fish bites are there so that if the shrimp comes off, you know, we got fish bites. This one's not gonna go as far. I'm gonna send this one in close.
It's ready. Oh, you're on. You're on. Get it. All right.
Looks like we're fish on.
How do you know? You saw it?
I saw it, yeah. Does it feel like a fish?
Yes.
I mean, you have a 10-foot surf rod. Or you lost it. No, it looks like your fish on. You're not nothing? No, there's a fish. Man, every time you touch it, it's a catfish. Under this.
Under the gills.
Yeah.
Under the fence.
Under the fence, and look at my middle finger too. And I trap him. Small rod? You sure? Got a lot of head shake actually.
It's not a freaking catfish again. You ever catch a trout out here?
No.
Speck?
Whoa, it's got a little fight to it. Nice fighting.
Yeah.
And that is the targeted species right there, my friends.
All right, tell us about this first catch.
So this is actually, if you're gonna come out here surf fishing, this is the targeted species. I don't know if it's a southern kingfish or a Gulf kingfish, but they're the hardest fish to hang on to. Good eating, small, tasty, good fish, man. I mean, you catch 10 or 20 of these, you got yourself a good meal. I'm not keeping these guys today, so I'm gonna send them back. Got him? You said it real good.
But it's freaking a huge shark rod, so
Yeah. I wish the weather could stay like this the whole day. Oh, you do got something, dude. Who's way out there?
He's
A trout? A whiting? It's a nice whiting. Real nice whiting, dude. Real nice. Wow, look how purple that thing is. Dude, it's purple. It's like crazy purple, right? Swear. Dude, I've never seen such a purple fish in my life. I hope the GoPro's picking up how purple that is. That is sick.
Oh, nice. His head.
Good lateral line. Probably a 10-incher. All right, guys, so the bite has definitely slowed down a little bit. We knew it would because the tide is slack for at least an hour here, and then it'll start becoming an outgoing tide, so hopefully the bite picks up. We got chopped up whiting rigged up on the big rod, and then we got fish bites and shrimp. We're still getting some consistent whiting here and there. So, you know, hopefully we wait it out and the bite picks up. We get some, I don't know, some more whiting or maybe something bigger.
Oh, whiting, yeah. It's got a whiting this time.
Hey. All right, Alan, your first whiting. That is the hardest fish to hold on to in the ocean. Tell me about this catch. Tell me about
Simple
it.
catch and release. He fought for maybe 10 seconds.
Let me see the fish.
He was mine. Oh!
The hardest fish to hold on to.
Here we go.
This is not a good release, man.
Terrible footage.
Yeah.
So how does it feel to catch your first whiting?
Great experience. If you haven't tried it, you gotta try it.
All right, live.
All right, guys, the bite is definitely slowed down. We're probably on a 30 to 45 minute streak of no fish. So I'm busting out the secret weapon. You guys may have seen this in previous videos. This is the sabiki rig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hooks. All right. Whatever's in the water, we're gonna catch it with this. Probably small whiting and maybe some small bait fish, but we're gonna get something. All right. We're sending out the sabiki. Look how much line I have on that thing. You got it? Fish on? Yeah. For sure?
I think so. Where is it at? It's like all over there.
Talk about it.
All right, it's pulling in pretty hard.
It is?
Nah, I think he must.
No, you got a fish. You definitely got a fish. Oh, double. Nice. All right, boys and girls.
That's the sabiki? That's not sabiki.
That is a sabiki.
Oh, snap.
No wonder it was going down hard.
We got a double on the sabiki rig.
Right here. Nice work. Huh?
I got a little.
What do we got? What do we got?
Oh, pop.
Oh, pompano.
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Is that your first ever pomp?
Nah, my like third one. I caught one on lure, that's why. It was like this big, dude. It freaking felt good.
Yeah. Nice, Eric. This is cool.
This one was bad, man.
Oh, they feel so good.
It's like sleek.
Yeah. Baby pump in the surf, guys.
Good stuff.
Come on, little pump. There he goes.
We're live.
We're live. We're
Yeah.
about to get annihilated by a storm. We got to call it a day. We caught a bunch of whiting, but we got this huge storm bearing down on us. And it's starting to rain. If we leave now, we'll make it. I will talk to you in the car. All right, guys, we got the storm to our backside. We've kind of outran it a little bit, but it still looks like it's gonna hit the shoreline pretty good. We packed it in. We probably caught, what, about 10, maybe 10, 11 whiting. Good fun day. That's what all you can expect out here on the surf at this time of year in the summer. And we got one pompano, which was a nice little bonus. We're gonna pack it in. We got some family events to get to today, but it was a good day out on the surf. I enjoyed it. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another episode of Fishing with the Rig.